Hello friends, welcome to Technical Tips Video. I hope everyone is well. Today I will try to tell you details about Nokia 8.1 mobile. Nokia 8.1 smartphone has launched in December 2018. That is 6.1-inch touchscreen display with 1080 by 2244 pixel resolution. It has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal store that can be explained up to 400 GB via a micro SD card. Camera. The Nokia 8.1 bears a dual-layer camera setup with a JS option, with the primary 12 megapixel camera featuring a 1x2.55-inch sensor, 1.4 megapixels OIS EIS 2PD dual photo array touch and a dual LED flash. The secondary 13 megapixel fixed focus lens is meant for depth sensing. Front camera. Nokia 8.1 bears a 20 megapixel fixed focus lens with 0.9 megapixels and 4-in-1 pixel touch for better low light photography. Price. Nokia 8.1 price is Rs 31,900 and it will go on sale in European and Middle East markets from mid-December. The color of the Nokia 8.1 are blue, steel, silver and iron steel dual tone color.